So we ordered our bike back in September 2021, and today we just got a call that our bike is finally here. And today we are going to unbox it and maybe even get a chance to test ride it. Let's see.
Oh guys, I didn't see you there! My name is Dirt Bike Lunatic and welcome to my channel! So, what should I talk about this bike? I really like it.
So this is it guys, my brand new 2022 Ducati Hypermotard RVE. As I said before, I placed order for this bike back in September 2021 and it took over 9 months to get it. Luckily it came at the start of the season, so you can expect more videos with it. There is 3 versions of Hypermotard: base model, RVE and top model SP. I choose the RVE mostly because of its livery. It stands out when compared to the base and SP model. Hypermotard is powered by twin-cylinder 937cc engine, which puts out roughly at 114 HP. It's perfect engine to offer maximum fun both in the sports riding on the track or roads full of curves, as well in everyday riding on the urban stretches. RVE also comes with riding modes. When I took delivery of this bike, I asked my dealer to set it at the lowest power mode, which is urban mode. I can definitely say it's perfect for new riders, because it limits your throttle response and engage wheelie control and traction control to the max. It is safe. With urban mode, there is also touring and sport. Touring is a normal mode, but sport is different beast. It's definitely worth switching to sport after you get some time on the bike. You are maybe asking why I didn't choose one of the sporty bikes that Ducati offers. And the reason for that is I love supermoto style bikes. It gives you more freedom and it's more fun. Guys, I don't know what else to tell you about this bike. I'm still learning every day about it. So if you want some technical data about this bike, there is plenty videos on YouTube, so you can check it out. Stay tuned for more videos with this bike and ride safe!